This one's for the planet. No matter where you're standing, you can make a difference from the Pacific to the Atlantic. You're gonna have to know your science, but there's no need to panic. Don't panic. Smarty Pants is here to help you understand it. So if you wanna save the world like me, raise your hand up high and sing along to the beat. Like, yee! Smarty Pants, teaching you how to treat the environment right. You know, Smarty Pants, from recycling to riding a bike. Maybe you're even a Smarty Pants. Let's start the show though, enough with the hype. Smarty Pants.
That's... Oh, I think it's on.
Oh,
that's what that light means. Okay, okay. Hi, fellow Smarty Pants. I'm your co-host, Luna!
Nice. Hey guys, I'm Michael. We've got a pretty cool blog entry for you today about fresh water usage right here in Southern California.
See, we didn't really know much about the importance of water conservation, especially in a dry climate like ours, until about a week ago. It all started when I was setting up for my birthday. Michael thought it would be fun to have some water balloons.
The water balloons were your idea, Luna.
Details, Michael! Can we get on with the story, please?
Sorry.
Anyway, my brother Colin came in and, like always, decided to be annoying.
Hey, aren't you getting a little old for water balloons?
Don't get any ideas.
Do you have any idea how much water you're wasting right now? And we're in a drought?
It never rains here in the summer anyway.
Yeah, but a drought is when there's a less than normal amount of rain or snowfall over a period of time.
Oh, so we're in a drought because it hasn't rained in the last few years?
Exactly.
Hey!
Trust me, you'll thank me later. Think fast, Mike.
Thanks, Colin. Happy birthday, Luna. So, how's the party prep going?
It was going fine until the meteorologist put me out of commission.
Huh?
Colin says there's a drought and shut the water off.
Have we ever run out of water? He's just messing with us. Shall I do the honors?
We got a lot of balloons to fill.
Back in business.
Yeah, you're right. Colin doesn't know what he's talking about.
Is it something like 70% of the earth covered in water?
Yeah, but 97% of that water is in the oceans, which is salt water.
Get a life, Colin. Ugh.
Or a girlfriend, man.
And most fresh water is stored in glaciers or underground aquifers. Only a tiny fraction of our fresh water is stored in streams, rivers, and lakes for us to use.
What happened?
Nice job, geniuses.
Nice try, Colin.
You probably just dried up Lake Cachuma.
Lake Cachuma?
It's one of the main places our fresh water is stored, and then it's piped directly into our homes.
I bet Mom just forgot to pay the water bill or something.
Guess again. I just read that the water level at the lake is getting pretty low. Well, if I were you two, I'd do yourselves a favor and figure all this out. And I'd do it before Mom gets back.
I can't believe Colin wouldn't give us a ride.
Let's just get this over with as quickly as possible.
What's happening, little dudes?
Seriously, you can't sneak up on people like that.
My apologies, little guy. You just looked in distress.
Yeah, we're here
I'm Luna, and this is Michael, and we're here about getting our water turned back on.
Whoa! You can't just turn water off and on like it's a faucet. Not to worry. Ranger Pete's my name, and Lake Cachuma's my game.
So, can you help us or not?
Sure, but first, let's take an up-close look at our fine lake. If you want your H2O to flow, you need to be in the know.
Off we go. To be in the know?
Over here, buds. Welcome to Lake Cachuma, the largest freshwater reservoir in our area.
This is where all of our water comes from?
Well, mostly. Some of it comes from underneath your feet.
Underground?
Subterraneous.
That's not a word.
Ha! You go Google it.
Well, how does it get there?
Well, it all starts with water vapor in the atmosphere, which condenses into clouds, eventually releasing rain, snow, sleet, or hail. This precipitation forms rivers, lakes, and streams. A lot of the water doesn't even make it there, though. Some of it evaporates or is used by plants, and a lot of it soaks into the ground where, wait for it, it gets trapped between pieces of soil and rock called sediment. Layers of sediment that collect and store water are called an aquifer.
So, since it hasn't rained in like forever, and we keep using fresh water, that must be why there's a drought.
Righteous.
Oh!
And we use fresh water to wash our clothes, shower, water the lawn.
Fill water balloons.
Yeah.
Luna's right. In times of drought, our groundwater supply gets crazy low.
But there's plenty of water in Lake Kachuma.
There is now, but there's no guarantee it's going to stay that way.
What do you mean?
Lake Kachuma is actually a man-made lake built to collect and store fresh water, called a reservoir. Since there isn't a lot of precipitation in Southern California, Lake Kachuma and other reservoirs were built to make sure that we'd have enough fresh water even in times of drought.
So we have to be really careful about how much we use, because it may be a long time before it rains again.
Wait. Okay, but if there's still water in the reservoir, then why did our water get shut off?
Somebody might be playing a trick on you.
Colin.
Don't be so hard on him. He just wants you to appreciate this awesome resource we have. Well, my job's done. You guys spread the word on water conservation and hit me up if you ever want a job with the Parks Department.
Ranger Pete,
Yes, Luna?
what would happen if the drought got so bad Lake Kachuma dried up?
Whoa! We'd have to get our water in another part of the state, and there's people there that need it too, and it'd just be terrible trouble.
So that's why we need to conserve water.
You smarty pants.
Guess we're in the know.
Time to go.
Let's go.
So that's the deal, guys. Thanks to Ranger Pete, we learned that water is a precious and finite resource.
And to do our part to conserve water, we made some changes, like taking shorter showers, shutting off the water while brushing our teeth, and not using the dishwasher unless it's totally full. These are some easy steps that everyone can do, and we hope you guys do them too.
And what I'm most excited about, I even used some of my birthday money to buy this low-flow shower head.
It was only $5.
Yeah, for just $5, this can save my household 20,000 gallons of water per year.
So, thanks for tuning in this week, and keep posting your questions and comments.
Catch you later, smarty pants.
Well, I guess you two will think twice before filling water balloons again, huh?
Yeah, I guess. No more water balloons for us. Gotcha!
Smarty pants, teaching you how to treat the environment right. You know, Smarty pants, from recycling to riding a bike. Maybe you're even a Smarty pants. It's time to go. Hope to see you next time. Smarty pants.